Hello there. The government of Meghalaya has launched the Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge for the most promising entrepreneurs of the state. If you have an innovation-based business or are an early-stage enterprise, Prime will assist and support you and help you with your challenges to get your business to the next level while participating in Prime's 9-month incubation program.
Rewards and benefits. Top 50 selected entrepreneurs will receive the following benefits. Business support grant ₹2 lakh for top 25 and ₹1 lakh for bottom 25. Recognition certificate awarded from Meghalaya Government and IIM Calcutta Innovation Park. Dedicated one-on-one mentoring with seasoned industry experts and professionals to guide and handhold the entrepreneurs.
Capacity building, regular boot camps, trainings and workshops related to entrepreneurial development in order to build a sustainable and growth-oriented business. Access to funding. Funding opportunities available under Prime such as grants, loans, capital ventures, etc. Access to markets. Connect to buyers in and outside Meghalaya.
Free co-working spaces. Incubators are offered the benefits of co-working spaces in the vibrant Prime hubs at Shillong and Tura. Visibility and networking. Prime Hub has a strong network in both the local and national media as well as social media channels. Support on marketing and legal services. Assured assistance on a plethora of subjects such as logo designing, branding, accounting, website making, and legal advice on the establishment of your company.
Opportunity to collaborate with successful existing entrepreneurs of the state. Incubated startups will be eligible for startup tools. Exposure to global practices on entrepreneurship to the most promising startup during the incubation program. Bottom 50 will transition to the pre-incubation program subject to qualification.
The applicant should be an adult citizen of India. The applicant should be a domicile resident of Meghalaya. The applicant should have an existing business in Meghalaya and be able to show first traction or revenues.
The applicant should work on innovative and scalable business model, product, solution or processes that have potential to create employment opportunities in Meghalaya. In case if the applicant has an existing business or startup, then it should not be older than 6 years.
The Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge 4.0. Build your innovative business and make yourself and Meghalaya shine. Apply now. Visit www.primemeghalaya.com/CMECC. Application closes on the 15th of September 2023. Contact us for more details. Get incubated at Prime and take your business to the next level.
Dakajing Sokya, hello Gajing Sapriang Kikubor, Bakaway Society, Galai Kikot Kislash Kibarjala Kibasa Athem Renja, Bakin Yo Yaka Trading License, Hakase Pale Jongatayo, Gador Barshanong Renja, Galale Yakandu, Yo Chief Executive Member Kakasi Hills Autonomous District Council, KHADC, Uba Penya CEM, Ba Untuklarlem Yakanekakam. Gador Barshanong Renja, Hapo Kajingalam, Urang Bashnong, Uba Ediwar, Rinkat Kajingdon Lang, Kinokit Kamshnong, Kasengkan Thai, but Kaseng Samla Renja, Kalayakandu, Yau CEM, KHADC, Hakabakilapan Pau, Yakijing Binyao, but Karpat, KHADC, Bakan Shim Kialem, Hakabede, Bakajing NOC, Gawai Society, Yakibar Jala, Kibasa Hatem Renja, Ne RR Colony. Uba penya CEM ulo Maham baka society kamla ban NOC ni residential certificate iaki Nongshong Shnong handai kadai tang kador Shnong kumbala pen kup borda ka KHADC bat ka hima malim bat kinu ke bapen Kenya ka hukum kensha Pynshitom kat kum ki kendon an. CEM ulaong baya ka R&R colony latip kum ka them renja bat kadai ka bahap hapo jong ka dorbar Shnong renja nadu kasnam araja kat kandai bat kumta dai tang ka dorbar Shnong ka basha pen kup bor ha ka KHADC bat ka hima malim ka bala ban ay kinu ki kot kisla shaki Nongshong Shnong. Ulaong baka council kam itu yaki brio ki basa hakadong them renja ki bakam yalade baki dai kum ki hetman. Hendrai ki itu bet yakador Shnong renja, urang Shnong kerenja, bat yakirang dong ki balasha penkuk bor. CEM ulaong baom persya ai ke society bahkan trekam ne banle ikinu genu kikam ki bede bakale niam le rukom hendrai hakabede bakariti dostur penyachnong ke society kam don bor satya banle ai Katba nakaliang urang ba asnong karenja uba ediwar ulaong banado kasnam araja khat khandai lapen mi ekajing pen banapat ba bakatem renja kalaha apo kajing pet bakajing khmi jongkador basnong renja bat umdan kibala batong bakane kajaka kamhap hapo kasnong renja ulaong bakasnong kam khang ya ka society bakan trekam hapo kasnong renja hendrai hakabede baduput usam ne ke kam khai pateng kini baro ki ha hapo ke jingkhmi jongka dor basnong renja
banum ailat kita nabar pat jongka ni kita nabar bakin yo ban long kita kirang basnong barah kan ni kepuar ka tu kepuar le singala ban so ban pau kan ni kepuar ba da ka jing tre borba ka chamti le sila laban scrap no ye ka tu kan notice ka baki bat war kidang laban ni baki om kidang laban trekam hadu mentamene henry ka notification ka balapan scam yo pun usam hawa araja kat khandai kala biang ye yengi bangin kam bakate kam dei su ar koloni henry ka dei ka them renja ka bahap apo ka snong renja bat hapo ka jing penya jong rong ba snong renja dikata ka dikawai para ka bayar dei bat ka trading license na kaliang ka discount na kapuar ngila jiyo ka jinge keren bat ngi kidor basnong bat baro kiba ki non tribal si bawan man khai ka te kasnong kimla ban ya lat khem da yo ka NOC na kasnong bat khem la yo pat ya ka yu na jingbet na ko ka discount kin yo ban khai ka te kasnong ki jomi ni judan ka jinge trailang rengkat apa rengka dor basnong renja ka himam liam bat kum juru bat ka discount ka belong ka bahakmat ya na ka penta bangin la bat penya pat ki kam snong ko kasnong ki jomi ting so sai sin ban pen pau ko burom akan kapuar yo CEM ban burom jongi ba penya sing CEM uba la shim khia chai kini kam bat bangin la ban pentel ngumni bat nginget scam ba apo ka jing penya ki jongi ha kan ki sponsor ni dang la ban pentel len sibun ki kam le se ki balong ka jing mentoi hi ka snong bro ko bai please bun ka kumba kalong mentai ngim tip ka nun teli namar ba ngim yo bangin muslia ki te ndai kat ki bawan sa ka snong renja ki ba hadu mentam menne ki ba ngi register apo ka snong renja ki ba kan thop lut na po ka them renja bat kumjur apo kasnong renja ni don kumbat spa tam teli egi NOC ki badan ki khai di kinan tribals dia re bangin ai ke exact figure la exact number jong ki bakhai apo them renja te ni numpat la ya menta
cái gì bọc này bắt đây là bởi vì bọc này cần ai NOC trong cái society
amka nakta ka ngoi pi ka nakaliang jo ka sponsor ka asim khia bai ka ni ha ka ba la ai ka jing pinsai na ka por sa ka por bat kumjur ru mentana ka jing keren bat i si am la ong ba ka sponsor ka num ai ka nu ka por ya nu bom de ru nu wei pat ujat ban reu ba ubakam ye de bu de rong ba snong ba khan de thu e ka dor ba snong la de no rong ba snong ba yo e ka sanat na ka imam lim kinum la ai ban peang ani ban baro kini ki ba lawan ki ba kebala ya lingba ka jing tip jong snong ba jing tip jong ka sponsor rai kat tu kat ni pat ki leakage tikidon be hi ki ba le si ki ba khai bi an ki ba khamsi me trading license ban ngi scam ba da ka jing mi kum ni le si kala ban long pat ka linti ka ba ki kin sawan pat ha ka ba kin sim ki trading license la ni ki NOC na ki snong ba na ka sponsor
te nakaliang jongi bat nakaliang jong kahima haka shitarik February arja khat khandai kahima meliam lingba i acting chief hatu kapor i pa em aina manik CEM ila penmi kawi ka jing penbena notification ya uput sensyar jongka shnong renja but habangi phai uput sensyar jongka ni shnong renja kamut kane ka notification kala penbena ba ya kane ka refugee colony la kan thup lang hapo ka jing sensyar shnong put sensyar jongka dorba shnong renja te but nakaliang jongiru ka sponsor la pen scam ya kani hakabede ba kaching penmi akan notification nakaliang ka hima kabaar pa habede ba kani ka notification la batha ya baro ki Nongshong Shnong haka tu ka Shnong refugee colony po renja lada ki don kam mi kino ki sonot ki certificate lada kalong ya ka labor license, lada kalong ya ka trade license, lada kalong ya ka residential certificate, but kiwi certificate hab ban shim na urang ba shnong jong ka dor ba shnong lenja but ya kan ni ru kat kum ka record singilai i babun ki bala lek sha ka dor ba shnong lenja kibamdei ki jadun riu khasi kiba shong basa hakatiga jaka laki don kam kanu ka NOC lene ke certificate ki lej banpan no ulang ba shnong renjang in reina kaliang jungi ka district council na kaliang jungi ka executive committee bat kumai menta ni kwa ban pintip shapi lingba jungpi ki nong pathai kubor syabaro ki paipa ki bapet ya kene ka kubor baka refugee colony nadu usnam arhaja khat khandai kala ha kajing Sensyar Shnong jong ka dorba Shnong renjang tengah kentu sehisian ye kini ki Nongshong Shnong hang tega dong kaba yaka refugee colony ru la depan ai kerteng no syakawe pat ka kerteng kabla pen scam house nam arja ka khandahi kabangi ong ka them renjang kawe na ka dong apo ka dorba Shnong renjang te ngakentu lingba kani ka khubor ya baro ki basyong hakate ke jaka laki de ki khasi dan kibam de ki khasi sobha banbut ya kariti sensyar Shnong sensyar thau kabla penkup dakabor hapo ka United Khasi Gentiles Appointment and Succession of Chief and Headman Act 1959 kumjuru hapo ka Shnong renja kaba kentup kaba hapo put sensyar ka hima melim kaladon ialah ka jong ka act kata ka hima melim act arhaja nyo hapo jong kani ka act ru kala keren syai ubamdei ukhasi ubamdei nakajat beri khasi umla belong rambat Shnong umla ban kam ya ladi kum tau self style headman ban issue ki certificate ban le kani katai te ya kata ngakwa ban keren syai ngim don jing itu ya kibriu ki basyong hakani ka ni ka dong thamrunja ka bangitip mensyuakum ka refugee colony bakin kam bakidiki headman ngim itu yaki